Hi, I'm Cav the Gamer, and the following video you're watching is made using Sora 2 AI video generator. So how can you use AI to make a YouTube channel? Well, this is how. Well, to make AI content, there's a few programs. I'll let my real self tell you next. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Cav the Gamer, and the Travis Gaming channel, of course. Now, the following videos that you have just seen was made entirely with AI video. So I used two programs, well, mainly one program, which is Sora 2 Video AI Generator. Now, if you want to make content for YouTube that is AI video based, then you're going to need a few programs. And the main one is Sora 2 Video Generator. You have got a Google VO free, but you have to pay for it unless you use Wondershare Filmora. And the most important other AI video app that you're going to use is ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT, as we all know, is everywhere. Everyone uses it, all university students, everyone applying for jobs, everyone. Now, ChatGPT is probably the best tool that you can use to make AI content. And the reason I say that is it can generate scripts for you. It can generate videos. So if you see here in the example of the screen above here, I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a video idea that I can then use in Sora 2 to generate the video. Now, you could go into Sora and generate the video yourself, but ChatGPT will give you the small little details that will help Sora to generate that video just how you want it. So using ChatGPT and Sora 2 combined together, you can make endless content that you can then upload on YouTube and have one of those faceless YouTube channels. Now, the question is, the most important question is, can that channel be monetized as its AI video content? Well, answer to that is, I think yes, it can. So you can make a faceless AI YouTube video channel if you want, but depends what you make. Your subscribers and your views may be hit and miss, but it is possible.